Hey YouTube, fellow subscribers and new viewers, welcome to my channel. Here on my channel I usually do reviews on affordable watches and anything mostly off AliExpress, DHgate, if I get a good deal of Facebook Marketplace, and just basically doing reviews of watches under $50. Today I'm in the Courtyard Marriott Hotel in the same city, so you know, a little home away from home, you could say. Just take a break, me and my wife. So today I'll be doing a different review. This is basically on how you can get something of lower value or lower cost but higher value when you trade watches. And I don't know if you guys swap or trade. I don't know if you guys do, but a great way to start is by joining different Facebook groups for watch enthusiasts. You could have, there's plenty of groups on Invicta groups, high-end groups of for Rolexes and everything. I'm not sure if any of my viewers are high-end fans or high-end watch wearers. If there are, then I'd be, surprised. But yeah, so today I'll be reviewing a watch I got from a trade maybe a year ago. I've been wearing it since then. I love the brand, but I got it in terms of value and trade value. I really got a good deal on it, and it is the Android Predator Retrograde. So a great watch on the leather strap, and just we'll be looking into this in a little bit, and I'll be telling you guys about Facebook trades, what to watch out for, and how to become good members. You actually meet a lot of watch enthusiasts, not only within North America but around the world, and it's something to really get into if you're collecting watches, and if you want to gain more knowledge about watches or specific brands or movements. So yeah, so let's dive into the Android Predator Retrograde, and let's check it out. Alright guys, so here's the watch, Android Retrograde, big day date. Really enjoyed this watch in the past year. And a little bit about the brand. It is Android USA, so they say the watches are made in USA. It is a micro brand, so micro brands are crowdfunded. Usually you can see a lot of micro brands on Kickstarter or other platforms where smaller brands rise, and they take different kind of donations to start up, and then they award each member who donates different amounts of money, a watch or a case with it and stuff like that. Definitely look it up. The thing about I like about Android USA watch is that they just have different designs. They don't create homage pieces. They have their own unique looking watches, and they're really well built. Movements are really reliable. So I definitely urge you guys to check it out. There's a few pieces on eBay. This one, if you get it pre-owned, or it's still going for around $175. But as I said, I traded a piece that was worth no more than $50 to a gentleman in a watch group on Facebook, and he liked it and offered me this as a trade, and we exchanged addresses. And of course, once you do a trade on Facebook, you get a reputation built up where people start to trust you and you do a lot more trades. So a little bit about this watch. According to the case, the manufacturer, this is 47 millimeters in diameter. 45 millimeters is just the case diameter with the crown over here. It's 47. Nice looking crown, black, just like the case. Signed AD for Android, right? Big date is right here, very visible, really nice look. The day changes every 24 hours, so definitely unique looking day and date complication right over there. And it is a quartz movement, and we turn it around, you can see that over here it's marked Ronda, and over here you can tell it with a magnifying loupe, of course, that it is a 4-jewel Swiss movement by Ronda. Really nice watch. I've showered with this watch, so You know, it says it is 100-meter water resistant. Haven't swam with it, but it is shower proof, I would say. And yeah, it's just great looking watch. It says designed in USA, Swiss women. So I'm pretty sure they grab parts from all around the world. You know, maybe some parts are coming from China, some parts the movement is a Swiss Ronda quartz movement, and great looking movement right here, with the exhibition case back, and really nice. They have these quick release spring bars for your leather strap. Very, very comfortable leather strap, very soft. Definitely didn't have to break into it, and just really nice looking watch. This also did come in a white dial variation, and if you didn't want a leather strap, it did come in with a black stainless steel bracelet. So if you are looking for one, definitely a nice piece. Lug width on this is 22 millimeters. And hey guys, I mean, I have a 7.5 inch wrist, and it just looks great on it. I get a lot of talk about it. It's definitely a conversation starter, and yeah, really catches people's eyes just because it's so different, right? Great watch overall. If you guys have any questions about the watch or the brand, or where you guys can find something, do let me know, and I'll try to answer as best as possible. Again, great watch. One thing I didn't tell you, no sapphire crystal over here. It is mineral crystal. So, but again, it's just a really nice looking watch. Tell me what you guys think. For any new viewers, please like the video if you guys liked it. Comment below, questions, criticism, compliments, and please do share and subscribe. Thank you.